welcome to Waldorf College. I'm Mark Newcomb. This is COM 1020 DigiCore, unit number 5. In this unit, you'll have the opportunity once again to consume lynda.com Final Cut Pro Essentials, Chapter 1 through 5. We'll also be looking at YouTube and creating a channel and looking at all of the beautiful things that are available to us on YouTube. So let's get started with Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is the software we're choosing to edit together videos. It's important that we all understand this graphic user interface, sometimes called a GUI, and how each panel has its own name. So as you're working through it with both a client and yourself, you kind of understand how to navigate through this monster. This first panel we call the Event Library. In the Event Library, that's where you'll store all the assets, all the video, audio, the graphics that you work with as you edit together a project. To the right of that, we have the viewer. As you're looking through your assets, the things that are inside the event library, you'll be able to view them in the viewer, or if you're down below in your edit, that will show up as well in the viewer, depending on where you've clicked. At the bottom here, we have a thing we call the timeline. So this is in time and space as you take the assets from the event library and edit them together as a story. They appear from the first thing to your left to the last thing that's on your right. Now, how we know where we're at inside of the timeline is a thing called the playback head. So wherever this little chevron or triangle is and the line going through, it's telling you that's where the viewer is and that's where you are in your edit as you put together your project. Just above the timeline in the playback head is the toolbar. The toolbar has all of the fun stuff that we'll click on in order to make effects or transitions or to get to go in and actually play with this project as we put together. Now, I've used the term project quite often. A project is the story I've edited in the timeline. To the bottom left here is the project library, and that's where I get to go. If I want to go find other projects that I've edited or someone else has edited on my computer, I'll find them in the project library. There are some keyboard shortcuts I want to make you aware of. As you place your hands in the home position on a keyboard, your index finger ends up on top of the J, your middle finger will end up on top of K, your ring finger is on the L. So J, K, and L. These are great friends in speeding up your edit in Final Cut Pro. J moves the playback head in reverse. If I hit K, it pauses. If I hit L, it moves forward.
Closed. It shouldn't have a sign that says 24 hours.
Okay, I'll be right there.
If I hit L multiple times, it will fast forward. And if I hit J multiple times, it will fast rewind. J, K, and L. They're very helpful in an edit in Final Cut Pro. And they'll help you edit and navigate through your timeline much faster. And in fact, it's one of the ways that I evaluate if I'm hiring an intern or if I'm going to hire an editor for me. If they're using J, K, and L, I know they're going to be much more efficient and fast. It's one of the ways that I know they know what they're doing. If they're still using trackpad and mouse, chances are they're going to cost me too much money in time and inefficiency. They're just not ready. So that's what I encourage my students to do as well. Learn your J, K, and L and a lot of your keyboard shortcuts. We have an opportunity in this unit as well as to discover YouTube. So let's go look at a YouTube account.
If you already love YouTube, you can do so much more by signing up for an account. It's quick, easy, and free. For example, think of the people who create lots of videos you often watch and enjoy. As a YouTube member, you can subscribe to their channel to keep up to date with their latest videos. When you visit the YouTube homepage, you'll now be notified whenever they have posted a new video. The YouTube homepage will also become more personalized for you. So if you really like to watch videos about cars, you'll receive recommendations for new and interesting car videos. Then, when you see clips that you really like, joining YouTube makes it easier to share them with your friends. Just click to mark any video as a favorite. Your favorites will be collected on your own page, making it easy to share with your friends and find them again later. And finally, if you want to automatically play one video after another, you can use your account to create playlists. It's like programming your own TV channel, and it's great for parties. To start using all of these features, register for free and join YouTube today.
A YouTube account is a video sharing website that allows users to upload, subscribe, share, organize, and favorite videos. So let's look at what it means to subscribe to a YouTube channel.
Subscribing to channels is a great way to stay current with your favorite users on YouTube. When you come across a channel you like, click the subscribe button. Now, whenever you're logged in, you'll get that user's latest video delivered straight to your homepage. Whenever that user rates, favorites, or comments on videos, you'll be notified in your recent activity feed on your homepage. And if you want to see who is subscribing to your channel, you can keep track by looking at the subscribers box. You can message your subscribers by posting a bulletin on your channel, which they'll see in their recent activity feed. You also have the option to remove subscriptions at any time by going into Edit Subscriptions and choosing Unsubscribe. You are now in the best position to stay updated on all the new content that interests you.
Thanks to the creative folks at Mondo Studios. A subscription. Here are some of the advantages of subscriptions. Subscription is a way to stay current with your favorite users on YouTube. Their latest videos are automatically delivered straight to your YouTube account. You'll be notified anytime your user favorites or comments on another post or another video. The subscribers box will show you who is subscribing to you. You have the opportunity to message your subscribers by posting a bulletin. And you can always unsubscribe. So let's look at sharing a video on YouTube.
Oh, this is too rich not to share. Oh, the ladies are going to love it. Send video to the ladies. Ooh. Send video to Edna, Brenda, and Bredna. Send video to Edna, Brenda, and Bredna. Rotten tomato, whirly gig, broken doorknob, wizard.
What's the matter, Mum? Is the wizard contraption giving you trouble again?
I found this hilarious video and I want to share it with the ladies, but I think it's broken.
Do you see that share button under the video? Let's start there. Go ahead and click it.
Oh.
Now choose the network you want to share on. Let's say Facebook. Go ahead and click on the link. Now, here we have a choice to make. We can either post it straight to your profile, where everyone can see this treasure you found, or we can send it as a message, solely to the ladies.
Let's post it to the profile.
Good choice. We'll just send it to the ladies. So click that button that says, Send as message instead.
Oh.
There you go. Now type in their names, add an apology message if you like, and click Send.
Hurrah! It worked! You're the best parrot ever.
It's true. I'm very patient. Now let's quickly take a look at some other ways to share videos. If you have an account, YouTube can email the video to a friend on your behalf. Just click on More Share Options, type in the address you want to send it to, and voila! The magic of the internet.
Ooh.
You can also share a video by copying the link to the video, which can be found right here. Now you can paste the link directly into an email or an IM, and when your friend clicks on it, it will take them straight to the video. There's also Auto Share, which allows you to automatically share your YouTube activity feed with Facebook, Twitter, and Google Reader. You pick the activities you want people to know about, such as every time you comment on a video, upload a video, or favorite a video, and AutoShare automatically sends an update to your friends on Facebook, a tweet to your followers on Twitter, or a shared item in Google Reader.
Oh, my.
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Please don't abuse this power.
Okay.
Right. So sign into YouTube, hover the mouse over the username, select Account, select Sharing, click the site you want to thrill with your YouTube activities, and then go ahead and connect the two accounts. Voila! Click Save Changes, and we're done.
Oh, it's so much quicker than the post office.
Yes, dear. Now that was a lot of learning for one day, so why don't you paddle off to the kitchen, have a few crackers, and curl up for a little nap, okay?
That sounds rather lovely. Thanks, Parrot.
The advantages of sharing on YouTube. You can share to Facebook or to Twitter. You can copy code and embed into a website. You can copy a link or paste it in a text. You can auto-share YouTube activity, or you can email. Playlist. Let's take a look at playlists.
All right, let's play the game Telephone, right here, right now. Friends, where are you at?
Hey,
YouTube!
What's up?
I'm going to say a phrase, and my friends are going to change it around. Let's see what they do with it. The phrase is, yum yum, I feel like eating a neon mule.
All right, let's take this and say, Yugoslavia has a lot of dancing fools.
All right, it's my turn. U2 plays a song with a chorus of ghouls.
Last but not least, YouTube's playlist feature is an incredible tool.
Huh, my original phrase changed for the better. YouTube's playlist feature is an incredible tool. You just saw 4 separate videos of me and my friends. Notice how the videos were played continuously? You just witnessed a playlist. A playlist is a list of videos that you organize and play after each other without the click of a mouse. They are organized into groups and add a little flavor to your video viewing experience. This is perfect for when you want music videos to automatically play back to back, or if you want to watch a bunch of episodes of something in one single shot. And how do you create a playlist? Here we go. Friends, you ready?
All right,
Let's do this!
The first thing you need to do is to sign into your account and find a video you want to kick off your playlist. I personally like this cat video. It fills my heart with a tremendous amount of happiness.
It's like this cat is stuck in a timeless state of surprise. So, hit the playlist button underneath this cat video. A pull-down menu will appear. If you have a previously selected playlist, then you can choose one from there. Otherwise, click New Playlist and type in its name. Name it something witty like Catastrophe.
At this point, you can add a whole bunch of other cat videos to this catastrophe playlist. All sorts of cats. Ninja cats, gremlin cats, Cat Stevens, whatever. When you're happy with what you got, hover over your account name and click the playlist option to rearrange the order of videos. Alright, let's type the number 2 here to make this go second. Let's make this third spot play first. And let's put this back to its original number 1 spot. Now you know how to edit your playlist information. Good job!
You can also share it. Grab its unique URL and paste it in chat or email. Don't stop there. Click the Share This Playlist button to select the YouTube contacts you'd like to send it to. Embed the playlist onto your site or creepy cat-loving blog.
Oh, remember, great playlists show up in searches, so it's important to have them if you want your video curation skills to be discovered. Now go step forth and use this playlist knowledge. I'm gonna sit here all day and just stare at this cat video.
Thanks to the folks at World Creative. Playlist, a list of videos that you play one after the other. It allows you to organize videos into groups. A playlist has a unique URL, so you can paste it in a text or an email. The Share This Playlist button allows you to select the YouTube context you'd like to send the playlist to, and you can embed the playlist into a website or a blog, and best of all, playlists show up in searches. How do I upload a video? Let's take a look.
Bob, we got a problem. My wife wants our kid's first words uploaded to YouTube. Never mind the fact that he's 22. Hold on. Best wishes. Sorry we had to fire you. What'd I do, Bob?
Ask your technology VPs. Besides, it's my anniversary.
I did. They're just frowning at me. Real creepy-like. Now, whatever you do, don't hang up on me.
What did he say?
He needs help uploading a video to YouTube. The only problem is that I'm an idiot.
That's true. But I'm not. I'll explain it while I see if the cleaning lady did a good job dusting. These counters are pretty clean. First, click the Upload button. Then select a movie from your desktop. Let's use the one from Grandma Hilda's wedding. Fridge is good. Okay, now we have to name the video. It's always good to use a descriptive title and provide a helpful explanation of what the video contains. So in this case, let's go with Grandma Hilda's drunken wedding, and let's describe it as 72-year-old says I do, and then says, oh, this oven is cleaner than Leave It to Beaver. Now we have to add some tags. Okay, let's see. Wedding, whiskey, grandma, barf, tuba. Hi, this is Bob's wife. My house is super clean.
Women. Anyway, is he smart yet?
Almost. Just showing him one more thing. Select a video category and decide if you want to make your video public or private. Let's make this one public so everyone can enjoy it. And then save our settings.
Hey boss, I can upload like a mofo now. Also, after your video is loaded, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Reader using the auto share options. And you can even embed it on your own website by copying the code from the embed box and pasting it wherever you want.
That's great. And thank your wife for us.
Oh, I'm still on the line. I listen to all his calls.
Huh. My wife does that too.
I feel like a prisoner in my own house. By the way, after your video is uploaded, it may take a short while to process. Don't worry, that's normal.
Thanks, Bob. Say, why don't you two go have a fancy dinner? Charge it to the company.
We will. I know a perfect little place in Paris.
You just got played like a record, old man.
Paris, here we come.
Thanks, darling. You're the swellest.
Don't thank me. Thank YouTube.
Thanks, YouTube.
You can always count on the Ant Farm for some fun bad lip syncs. So we can create an account, we know how to subscribe to channels, how to share, how to create playlists, and how to upload a video. But how do I get my video featured by YouTube?
You like that camera, huh?
Yeah. I can't wait to upload my video to YouTube. But, Pops?
What's that?
Well, how do I get my video featured on YouTube?
Okay, if you want the straight dope, I think I can put that honey in a jar for you. YouTubers have a better chance of having their films featured on the site by not only creating original work, but also by becoming a fully vested member of the YouTube community.
But...
I know. You're asking, how do I do that?
Right.
Well, of course, it all starts with creating a channel and uploading a video.
Yeah?
If you want to increase your presence,
I do.
You make playlists, join groups, subscribe to other videos, and get involved just like you would with any other community.
Oh.
And by joining groups, replying to other videos, even making more videos, you'll build a following and have a better chance of catching the eye of one of those busy YouTube bees.
But I heard there's like a magic formula or something.
No.
Well, my friend Tommy said that only the most viewed videos get picked.
No.
You have to be part of the in-crowd?
Nope.
Secret potion?
Still no.
Pay off YouTube?
Let me think. No.
Put boobs in my thumbnail.
I'm not saying no, but no.
Be a close personal friend of every YouTube employee ever.
No. Listen. You want the truth.
Yes, please.
You're sure? Because I don't think you can handle the truth.
Pops, come on.
YouTube only pays attention to what the community's doing, and they never really know what crazy new thing will be next.
Ah, too much information. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Yeah.
Yeah, my son's done with the camera. But the glasses? I'm keeping the glasses.
So getting featured on YouTube, the ways you can increase your video becoming viral and being featured on YouTube are, first, you need to create a playlist. You need to join other groups, subscribe to other videos, get involved, and make more videos. By doing all of these, you have a better opportunity of being featured by YouTube. In Unit 5, once again, you have the opportunity to consume Final Cut Pro 10 Essentials, Chapters 1 through 5, and you'll need to create a YouTube channel. Create an account, subscribe to 3 channels, share a video, favorite 3 videos, create a playlist, and upload a video. Well, that wraps up yet another unit of CommDigiCore 1020. I'm Mark Newcomb. That's Unit 5. Look forward to seeing you in Unit 6.